students, now we are going to see the commerce class 11, subject commerce, chapter 16, topic emerging service business in India, subtopic franchising. So look at here, like emerging service business in India, 16th chapter. So this is the meaning and definitions. Today we are going to see the franchising. Actually one of the key components of success any business lies in this ability to reach out to customers at local, national and global level. Actually whatever it is we are going to do on new business means in that business we are doing like a newly product some new thing. In that things actually the quality is good means that name is coming like a goodwill is better name. Okay, so that name is reached for everywhere. So that is told here like a reach out to customers at local level, national level and the global level. Okay, so like that what all are the product we have to like newly product new things means that name is reached to wherever. Okay, so like wherever it is the good name is reached. What is the like maximum like important thing is that the quality is a good. Okay, then only that good name will coming. So like that the franchising has often been used as a method for expanding domestic market and for entering the international markets. Actually this been used as the methods. So what all are the methods here? Like expanding the domestic market as well as the entering the international markets also. So that methods they have to using like different types of the methods and they have to sell that product to the customers. Next is a wide variety of the goods and services are now made available to customers using these models. Like a franchising is used by the business for marketing and distributing product and services. Actually we have to product a new thing, after that used by the business for the marketing and distributing products and services, all those coming under that. To International Franchise Association, a franchise is a continuing relationship in which the franchisor provides a licensed privilege to do business, but assistance in organizing, training, and the management in return for the considerations from the franchisees. Examples like a play school. Okay, so take on play schools means in that like a franchisee, so that that person is the one of the owner. Okay, so that the main owner is the franchises, so they have to get already license from the government side. Okay, because why they have to get the license? Like all the kids is staying inside the kids school. Okay, that the kids wise that is safety or not. So like that they have to seeing all those like a place wise as well as the building wise. So they have to see this and all safety, the location wise. So this and all safety means they have to ready to provide the license to the owner. Okay, so like that they have to get the license from the government side. Afterwards they have to start the play school and run the play school. Okay, so like that this is that name, the particular name is the franchisee. Okay, so who is putting the amount and started and run the business, that person's name is the franchisee. Okay, so like that they have to explain this. Next is and explained in Wikipedia, franchising is the practice of the right to use the firm's business model and branch for a prescribed period of time. For the franchisor, the franchisee is an alternative to buildings, chain stores, to distributing goods that avoids the investments and the liability of a chain. Actually the chain means already you know like a fully like a factory wise they have to product the thing, afterwards that is going to the wholesaler, afterwards that is going to the retailer, after that going to the consumers. Like that wise the chain store like one by one is coming. Okay, so like that this is also one of the thing. So there are two parties to franchises agreement. So two parties who all are there, like a franchisor, the owner of the business who provide the franchisee, generally he owns the parent, so trademark, and officers it's to the franchisee under a licensing agreement. So depending on the agreement, the franchises may also provide the support service like a service product, training, marketing, advertising, etc. So franchises levels fees in the form of royalty. Actually the franchise is putting a capital and run the business. Okay, so that wise the generally he owns he owns the parent and trademark and offers to do the franchises under a licensing agreement. So then only they have to get the license. Afterwards, depending on the agreement, so what all are they have to entered in the agreement wise, the rules and regulations they have to follow all those. As well as the franchises may also provide a support service like service product. Support service like a service product means they have to what all are included in the agreement wise, that wise they have to giving some support, as well as they have to taking all the rules and regulations following here. Next is the marketing, advertising, etc. all those. The franchises levels fees the form of the royalty. So depends upon the fees also they have to pay. Next is the franchisee. The individual who acquired the right to operate the business, like a individually who is going to operate the business as well as or use the trademark of the sellers is known as the franchisee. Like a trademark means already I told you, like a goodwill is the good name, depends upon the quality. The quality is best means like a 20 years, 30 years, whatever it is, year by year we have to use means that is the good name for the goodwill. Otherwise like a 1 hour or 2 years after that, that is going to spoil means that is the bad quality. Okay, so like that the quality is best means they have to get this name of that. Okay, so individual who acquired the right to operate the business, who is having that authority to operate the business as well as use trademark of the seller is known as the franchisee. Okay, so next point is we are going to see the B1, characteristics of the franchising. So what all are the characteristics, what are the works they have to do for that. So franchise's relationship is based on the agreement which lays down terms and conditions of this relationship. Actually franchisee relationship is based on an like agreement. Okay, so the agreement wise what all are the rules and regulations they told, that wise they have to follow all those which lays down terms and conditions of his relationships. So the terms and conditions wise they have to get some relationship for that. The term of the franchisee may be for 5 years or more. Like a franchisee may be for 5 years or more than that they have to get a relationship. Franchisee agreement may be renewed with the mutual consent of the parties. Like a 2 or more parties join together and running some business means like getting the profit like equally. After that they have to segregate both of that. So that agreement is like agreement wise rules and regulations they have to follow. What is the profit they have to get, that profit they have to equally segregated the profit. So like that wise continuously 5 years or 10 years what they have to return in the agreement wise means after that they have to need to continue means they have to continue, otherwise they have to complete that agreement wise closed on the business. Third point is the franchisee is given an undertaking not to carry any other competing business during the terms of the franchisee, and the franchisee gives an undertaking not to trademark for the franchising agreement before its expire under situations which may so justify the terminations of the franchisee agreement. Actually the franchisee give an undertaking what's going on there, what are the problems will come, so what's going went, so this and all they have to carry and other competing business. Like a compete means one business to other business they have to compete, like which one is going to best, which one is coming to give the best, so like that they have to competing during the terms of the franchisee, and the franchisee is given undertaking not to trademark. Like a terminations means not allowing to do that business. Okay, so fully stopped for that. Okay, so after that they can't do any like works in that situations. Okay, so like that. So agreement wise they have to follow all those. Fourth one is the franchisees agree to pay a specified royalty. So specifically they have to give some royalty for that the franchises as per the terms of the franchisee agreement. So what all are they have to mention in that? So like that wise what they have to specify, like 5 lakh or 10 lakh, whatever it is specified the amount, that wise they have to follow all those. Next is the franchisee means selling the same product and the maintaining a similar type of the shop decor. So example, style of the interior decoration. So already you know nowadays like home, example home means we have to decorate all those like steps, staircase, the hand, this that is in the stainless steel. So after that the home decorate means like a kitchen. After that hall we have to close all the plywoods. So use the plywoods and completely close all those. Like that we have to segregate and the style of the interior decorations work we have to do nowadays. Like olden days they didn't do anything openly, all the like things we have to see easily for the inside what all are they kept like that. But nowadays they have to completely close all those. Like that this nowadays came for this style of the interior decorations work. So which franchises provide the assistance to franchises organizing. Next is the sixth point is franchises is supported to follow the parents companies like compliance policies. Next is the regarding mode of the business operations as per the casuals in the franchising agreement. So like supported what like customers need. So like that the innovations technologies nowadays grow up. Okay, so like that one by one they have to getting all those under regarding mode of the business operations. Seventh point is franchises may give training to personnel working in the franchisees organization. Like newly one person join in the organization means that person don't know anything about that work. Okay, so experienced person means that work they have to do, but the organization is new means they can't able to do newly means. So that training we have to give to that persons. Afterwards they have to using that work and complete for that. The C1 we have to see, this is in type of the franchising. What all are the types we have to see? A1 is the product trade names franchising. In this type the franchising executively deals with the manufacturer's product. So in this type the franchising executively deals with a manufacturing product. Newly manufacture something means they have to execute all those. Example include the kids school, French Louvre outlets, next Bharat Petroleum banks, next is the Patanjali products. So this and all they have to give one more advertisement. Okay, so how we have to buying that things, we are seeing lots and lots of the advertisement. So they have to showing more much of the advertisement to the televisions, radios, newspapers, magazines, this and all. Okay, so that wise we have to look at that advertisement. Afterwards we have to put some amount and buying that things. Okay, so like that wise they have to given some examples including the kids school. Already you know like a kids school, that is the branded school. Okay, so that one. Next is the French Louvre outlets. Next is the Bharat Petroleum bunks. Next is the Patanjali products. Like this Patanjali products also already you know like televisions they have to given lots and lots of the advertisements. Okay, so like that wise we have to put some amount and buying that branded things. So etc. Relationship like a Maruti Suzuki with APT Maruti or Hero Honda bike like a dealership. Okay, so this and all joined together like a Maruti Suzuki and APT Maruti and Hero Honda bike like a dealers be considered as a franchise. So this and all considered as a franchises. Next is the however the put should be considered more or executive relationship like a dealership with a more operational freedoms for the dealers. Actually what all are there, so this is the one of the main thing. Afterwards what all are newly they have to think and they have to execute all those. This is depends upon the like a dealers. Okay, so dealership with more operational freedom. So what all are they have to give in the advertisement. Already you saw like some vehicle is there and the like a backside they have to give in like a showing some light and they have to giving some advertisement for public peoples. Okay, so like that and all also. Next B1 is the business format franchising. When franchises like award right covering all business aspects as a complete business package to the franchisee. So it is called as a business format franchising. So when the franchises awards like this and all right covering all business aspects, like covering all business aspects means they have to fully like taking all those for the covering areas. Okay, so like that the covering all business aspects as a complete business package. Like a complete business package means started to ending up what all are they have to given to the customers. Like that type they have to giving the like a full packages to the franchisee. It is called as a business format franchising. Next is this packages include the training, support and to the corporate name. So this and all newly one employee is joined to that company means that employee don't know about that work means, so this company is giving some training to the employee. Okay, next is that support. So what all are the help they need like a job wise means they have to given some help to the employees. Okay, so like that the training, support and to the corporate name. Like that this ensure uniformity of product, service, environment across the geographical boundaries. So with a high degree of the standardization. Examples are McDonald's, Pizza Hut, KFC, Heart Brands, Titan, Color Plus. Next is the Zodiac, Lakme Beauty Parlor. So this and all examples already you know like a Domino's as well as this Pizza Hut, KFC, this and all the branded name things. Okay, so like this is how they have to given some more branches means the same things they have to using like all branches. Okay, so examples chili powder they have to use in the KFC like one branch means that same chili powder using to the another branches also like a KFC. Okay, so like that wise they have to using and segregating for the branches wise and getting lots and lots of the profits. Okay, again I tell you this examples: McDonald's, Pizza Hut, KFC, Hot Branded, Titan and Color Plus. Next is the Zodiac, next is the Lakme Beauty Parlor. Okay, so like that wise they have to branded getting the branded name certificates as well as the same product they have to using in the branches also. What all are the advantages we have to see now? So advantages of the franchising: reduced risk. Actually the franchises will acquire the right of the running and already established business terms, eliminating the risk of the starting a new business. Actually this is the starting. So what all are there already they have to run one business means they know about how they have to run the business. Any new like some problems will come on the business means before that they have to reduce that what all are the ideas. So how we have to stop the problem beforely. Okay, so what is the example here? Because of experience. Okay, so already they have to get some experience means before the problem will come they have to reduce all those. Okay, so like that. Next is the risk of the starting any new business. So newly they have to started any new business means that is started and run the business. B1 is the business expansion. So franchising the provide an opportunity to expand the business at regional, national and global level. Already we saw this. Okay, in this chapter started, that time we saw this and all. So regional level, national level and global level business expansion. Expansions means like not only one places, like a place like a Madurai, Dindigul, Chidambaram, Pondicherry, whatever it is. Okay, so they have to segregate that branches and they have to product the same thing. Okay, so like that expansion is briefly like a regional level, national level, global, like a world level also. Okay, so without the increasing the additional expenditures, so this repaired the growth of the franchises business in the facilitated. Next C1 is the cost of the advertising, like advertising. So the cost of the advertising for the franchises will be reduced since this cost will be shared by the franchises. So like a franchises will be reduced since whatever it is they have to reduce that amount and they have to run the business, as well as the like a moreover it enable for the franchises to reap the benefits of the increased visibility across the regional and the national boundaries. Actually regional level as well as the national level they have to put some boundaries. Whatever it is they have to put some steps and putting some more effort and getting lots and lots of the profits. Next is the operational support. Like operational supports means like newly they have to put some ideas and as well as they have to get some more profits, means what all are the methods is there. So like that wise the operation support, newly they have to put out some ideas and getting some profits, means they have to given some supports operational level. The franchises provide the assistance is not only the obtaining finance but also is deciding the business location. Next is the decorating designs. Next is the staff training and the handling day-to-day operations. Like which is the location where we are going to start this business. So like a village side we have to start it, means can't able to get a more profit. Okay, like a town side, like a new, like a main areas. Okay, so this type of the locations they have to select. After that what all are the decorations we have to give. So like that one by one decorate. Next is the designing, staff training. So newly we have to giving some advertisement and getting the staffs. In that staff they don't know about the work, means giving some training to that employees. Okay, so like that wise and handling day-to-day operations. Day-to-day operations means like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever it is, like all the day is like a same amount is not coming day-to-day life. Okay, like a Monday is getting a 20,000, 25,000, whatever it is. Tuesday getting the 5,000 or 10,000, whatever it is. Okay, so depends upon the business as well as the customers is going to buying the things. Like that wise this amount is various. Okay, name of the franchise, country of the origin, number of the years of the franchising in India. Next is the industry. So first one is the Subway. So USA, the country is the USA. This is in 16th, like a number of the year in 16. Industry is the food and is the Alha India. This is in Malaysia. This is number in 15. So education and training. Third one is the Baskin Robbins, USA, 24, food and beverage. Next is the fourth one, Kidsy. This is in India. 14th number, children's. Already you know the Kidsy school, that is in children's only, like a pre-KG, LKG, UKG, daycare, this and all. Next is the fifth one, US dollar stores in India. 13th numbers, retail. Next sixth one is the McDonald's in USA. 21st number, food and beverage. 7th one is the Khadim's, this is in India. 22, retail. So 8th one is the Prestige, like a smart kitchens, prestige item already you know, like this Khadim's also, the Chon Papdi, this and all already you know. Okay, the Khadim's thing is the branded things. Next this 8th one is the like a Prestige cooker. Okay, so prestige items, kitchens items, this and all coming under that. So 9th one is the Domino's Pizza, USA. 21st number, food and average. 10th one is the Pachapan play school. Actually this is the Pachapan play school is the in India. 13th one children's also, the kids as well as this is also. So examples of the Indian franchises kids school. Look at here, like all the kids are joined together and reading something like a playing mode also. So kids school franchises. Next is the committed to quality education. Minimum area of 2003 to like a 3000 square feet. So next is the minimum investment 12 lakhs. Actually the square feet, look at here, like a 2000 square feet to 3000 square feet they need, as well as the minimum investment is 12 lakhs. Okay, so like that. Next is the franchise with the Oriental Cushions Private Limited. Like this is they have to showing here your dream of the owning a piece of the Calnedia even in the beginning years. Next one is the Holdrem takes franchises route to add 150 stores. Like already I told you, like Kodims, okay, this and all the sweets, mixtures and all, Mysore Pak, this and all is coming over here. So this and all the branded name also. Next is the particulars, the French loft and Veg kitchens. So this and all floor placement, chapter area, investment. Next is the location and all here. Next is disadvantages of the franchising. Actually this advantages is totally 5. This 5 is getting over. After that we are going to complete this class. Look at here, the first one is the franchising fees. The individual franchising fees and the subsequent renewal fees can be very high. Actually the franchising fees like a subsequent as well as like a franchising fee, so this and all is the very high. This is one of the disadvantages. From the franchisee point of view, this may be a different. Next B1 is the fixed royalty payment. Like a fixed royalty payment, this is the fixed cost, like a 25,000 or 50,000 means can't able to reduce anything, okay, can't able to increase anything. That is the fixed price, means somebody is going to pay but somebody can't able to pay. So this is one of the disadvantage. The franchises has to make a payment of royalty to the franchises on a regular basis. This considerability reduced this income of the franchisee. Next C1 is the danger of the image traineeship. Actually this traineeship, actually this is the franchises does not maintain the standardized of the quality. Actually like standardized of the quality means, so every time they have to product the new thing, means what all are the quality they have to putting the same quality, can't able to continue up to the last like a product also. Sometimes that is putting a more quality, sometimes putting a lowest quality. So like that wise means this is one of the point of disadvantages. Next is the lack of freedoms. Franchisee does not have any freedom to run his business. Actually lack of freedom means didn't give any freedom to that person. So okay, so they have to restrict first you have to complete this work, second you have to complete this work. So like that they have to restrict all the works, so can't able to do any works like a freely, okay, in the independent manner. He has to abide by management and the operational policies. Next is the franchise. This is may serves as a treatant whether suitable to him or not. Next one is limitations on range of the products. The franchises cannot introduce a new product like lines into the business, expand those permanently by the franchises. This may mean loss of the business to franchises and meter demand based on the local conditions. Actually limitations on the range of the products. So this is the limit. After that this limit can't able to put a more like a quality wise product lines into the business, expand those permitted of the franchises. So this and all, this may mean a loss of the business, okay. So this and all is coming under the disadvantages, okay. So this franchising topic is completed, students. You have to write the like a very short answer questions in this chapter, as well as you have to read in the 1 mark questions also. If you have any doubts, kindly call me, students. Thank you.